Are you looking for a way to make money online? If so, this might be the perfect opportunity for you. Testing apps is a new trend that is gaining momentum. Many people are using their spare time to test apps and make money. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make more than $500 in a few hours by testing an app. App developers are in constant need of people like you to help test their apps and collect feedback. It's a really simple way to make some cash. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make big money instantly, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. The demand for app testers has increased significantly in recent years because of the rise in mobile app development. With more and more people getting on board with smartphones, people are now looking for apps that can cater to their needs. This has led to an increase in demand for app testers as well. The app tester job is a perfect opportunity for people who want to work from home and make money. All you need is a computer or a mobile phone and internet access. Mobile phone testing is one of the most popular ways to make money online, especially if you are looking for an easy-to-find job with flexible hours. It is a good idea to consider becoming an app tester because it can provide you with a lucrative career opportunity. You will be able to work from home or anywhere else that you want and get paid handsomely for your work. It is also a good option if you are looking for flexible hours or if you have other commitments. A tester's job includes finding bugs in the app and checking if it has any problems with the user interface or other features that can be easily detected by an end user. They also test the app for compatibility with different devices, operating systems, and screen sizes. According to Indeed, the median salary for a mobile app tester ranges from $54,000 to $86,000 per year. This means that there are many opportunities for people who want to become professional mobile app testers. There are many different companies that offer this service, but not all of them pay well. So it's important to find out about the company before you sign up for any offers. You can find these jobs on websites like ReviewPay's platform. These are remote positions, meaning that as long as you can work the required hours, you can work from home. You need to have access to at least one of the following: iPhone, iPad, Android smartphone, Android tablet. Using ReviewPays, you can get paid to test mobile applications. This is a genuine platform since you will really get compensated for your time testing applications. When you sign up to be a ReviewPays tester, you'll be able to access the member dashboard, where you can see a list of all the applications you may try out. You will earn money for completing paid tests, which will be sent to your PayPal account. You can earn something from $25 to $100 per project depending on the complexity of the app and the detail required for the review. ReviewPays is good as a user testing platform. Also, there is other good platform called Write-App Reviews. You will get paid something $25 to $35 per hour. If you can start right away, you will find the links for both platforms below in the description. Now, make sure to check the links in the description if you like to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.